That's a bummer, guys. Man, I've been wanting to check out this place so bad. So the Bradbury was not open to the public because it's closed until further notice. So why not come to the most awesome place that I've never been to? I don't know if my wife has been to. We're at the Grand Central Market. It's awesome. They even have gummy worms that are like chili and sour. Pretty cool. Pretty gnarly. Uh, yeah. Dang. Angel's Flight's closed. Bummer. We're just trying to find somewhere to eat and to try out. Where you at? Oh, pretty cool places around here. So we saw a ton of these signs that says the Donut Man grand opening. So we wanted to actually just come to check it out and see it, and actually found it. There it is. Nice. Look at it. Even have the sign. Beep. No matter where you come from all the way over there to all the way to the very front. Definitely. All right, guys. Well, that concludes our trip. We had such an amazing time at downtown LA. We went to the last bookstore. That was outstanding. I love the art. I love the way that they have the books stacked up. Everything was so detailed there. As far as down to like the very last little knickknack, that was awesome. There's tons of photo ops for you to actually take a picture in. It's so quiet there. I didn't want to actually do some, content as far as I'm talking because it was pretty loud. It would have been pretty loud. It's pretty quiet inside there, but we had a great time over at Grand Central Market. And then we also were unable to go to the Bradbury or the Angel's Fly, but it's okay. But everything about downtown LA was amazing. It was just very, very hot and uncomfortable. We were unable to continue as much as we should have, but we tried. So thank you guys so much. And if you guys like my content, please hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell notification. That way you guys never miss any content. And until next time, adventurers, and always remember, if you're going to have some fun somewhere at a place, you always make it an adventure. All right, guys, see you later. Stay safe.